So moving on, if you ever want to do an RMA or a return to vendor, you can keep track of those items that you send back to the vendor in Wireless Standard. It's a really simple process. You're going to click Return to Vendor here on the left, and then you're simply going to click Ship Items here. And what you're going to do is you're going to first click the drop down and again select whichever vendor you're sending the stuff back to. Let's say Alphacom, for instance, and then click Ship Express on the right. And then you're going to look up your products that you're sending back to Alphacom. So let's do, say, a serialized product. We'll do a phone. And let's say we want to ship back one of these Samsung phones. We can always scan in the IMEI, or again, you have 554 available, so we can choose from a list if we click the button here on the right, and we just double click a serial number, and then click OK. Now the system is going to require you to put in the RMA number that you received from the vendor, and this is to refer to this document within Wireless Standard, as well to be it can be printed on any kind of reporting. And notice our return type is a credit, so we're looking for a credit of the cost, the 200. So when you're done, you're going to click Post. And now you're going to be unable to sell the item in Wireless Standard because you told the system that you shipped it back for the RMA. Now, when you know that the RMA was credited to your account and you want to fully reconcile it in Wireless Standard, you're going to, again, click Return to Vendor on the left here, and then you're going to click Reconcile RMA on the right. This is where you can filter out exactly what you're looking for. So you can search by vendor here. We know it was Alphacom and it was a credit. And then we could also do a date range or search to see everything. So here are all of our RMAs, all of our products that we sent back to Alphacom. Now to find our product, we can look for the RMA number. And here it is, 5678. So it's this Samsung phone, and we were looking for a $200 credit. So when you know that they've credited your account, you can simply credit within Wireless Standard if you double click and then type in the 200 and then simply click Post on the top left here. You can put any kind of title or memo for your purposes when you run a report. Click OK, and that will close out the phone and the RMA. It will fully reconcile it, so this way when you run a report later, you know that phone was credited to your account.